cow. E ng dog.
Up, up, up.
E ng cat.
Meow.
E ng duck.
Quack, 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 quack.
E ng horse.
Dag-dag-dag-dag-dag.
E ng tiger. E ng snake. Ang galing. E anong sound ng bird? Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
You know bird? Tweet, tweet. E anong sound ng chicken?
Quack, 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 quack.
Tik-tilaw.
Tik-tilaw.
E anong sound ng frog? Mamaya na, slide ka na. O, slide na. Why? Wow! Anong sound ng frog? Quack, quack. Ang galing. Eh, anong sound ng elephant? Eh, anong sound ng goat? Goat.
Goat.
Goat, kambing.
Kambing.
Anong sound ng kambing?
Ha?
Anong sound ng kambing? Goat.
Goat.
Meh, meh.
Iyak.
Eh, anong sound ng giraffe? Very good. Anong favorite mong animals? Anong gusto mong animals?
Diyan na TikTok mo.
Anong ang favorite mong animals? Cat or dog? Bird?
Like cat, tiger, ribbon, tiger. Then, ito po